QuData.com.
Today we are integrating a chatbot into a web channel. So, first and foremost, select your chatbot. Open the main page of the bot builder and select and click the needed chatbot. That's the chatbot editing section. In the left side navigation panel, click Channels, and select Web Chat channel type. In the settings panel for this channel, enter a link to your site in the field of Step 1. Click Save Changes. Then, in Step 2, click the Copy button. Open your web page and access the HTML. Scroll down to the bottom and paste it. Return to the settings page, and switch the toggle to Active. Reload your website page. The bot will appear as a button in the bottom right. Congratulations! The chatbot has been integrated to your web channel. It is now available on your company website. Would you like to learn more 1-minute tricks which can help you automate your workflow? Check out our videos.